Artificial intelligence is everywhere, but here is the real question. How do you deploy AI inside an enterprise network without breaking security, compliance, performance, and your firewall policies? Today on the Network Fixer, we are not talking theory, we are talking real enterprise AI deployment, infrastructure, security, bandwidth, data privacy, and governance. If you are a network engineer, security admin, IT manager, or CTO, this video is for you. Let's fix AI the right way. Enterprise AI deployment is not just installing ChatGPT or connecting to the cloud API. It means integrating AI workloads into corporate networks, data centers, hybrid cloud environments, secure endpoints, identity systems, and compliance frameworks. Unlike startups, enterprises must consider data classification, firewall segmentation, VPN access, SAML authentication, logging and SIM integration, bandwidth management. If not planned properly, AI becomes a security nightmare. In enterprise environments, AI can run in three main places: public cloud, private data center, and hybrid model. If we consider public cloud, be it in the form of Microsoft Azure, AWS, GCP, here AI models are consumed as APIs. If we consider the advantages of public cloud, there is no hardware maintenance, quick scaling, managed infrastructure. If we consider the risks, the data leaves our network, compliance issues, high egress costs. If we consider private data center, running AI on on-premise servers, GPU clusters, VMware environments. This gives full data control. This is within the internal network isolation. We can build custom security policies based on the requirement, but this requires huge capex. This also requires huge investments on cooling requirements. Power consumption will be huge. If we consider the hybrid model, most of the enterprises would prefer the hybrid ones. All the sensitive data is processed locally, and all the non-sensitive workloads are processed in cloud. Hybrid requires strong routing, SD-WAN, firewall policies, and identity management. This is where network engineers become critical. AI systems must sit behind next-generation firewalls, zero trust access, secure DNS, DLP systems, SIM monitoring. For example, if using a firewall like Fortinet, Palo Alto Networks, Cisco, we must create application control rules, outbound API filtering, geo restrictions, rate limiting. Why? Because AI APIs can be abused for data exfiltration, prompt injection attacks, shadow AI usage. Shadow AI is when employees use AI tools without IT approval. That is extremely dangerous. In an enterprise AI deployment, identity is everything. AI systems must integrate with Microsoft Entra ID or formerly Azure ID, SAML providers, MFA systems, role-based access control. Why? Because AI may access HR data, financial data, customer PII, source code. Access must be logged, audited, time restricted, role restricted. Never allow shared credentials. Always use conditional access, device compliance checks, IP restrictions. AI traffic is heavy, especially if you are uploading datasets, training models, using real-time inference. If we consider the bandwidth, we need to look for Do we use symmetric fiber? Is our ISP doing any traffic shaping? Is SD-WAN prioritizing AI traffic? If we have 1 gigabit link but only see 700 Mbps, AI may saturate upstream queues. Also consider DNS latency, cloud region proximity, CDN optimization. AI performance is network performance. If we are planning to deploy on-premise AI, we need NVIDIA GPUs, high-performance SSD storage, 25 gig or 40 gig switching, proper cooling. Companies like NVIDIA, Dell Technologies, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, and Cisco are building AI-ready infrastructure. But remember, AI clusters consume massive power, where UPS capacity must handle surge loads. Enterprises must follow GDPR, SOC2, ISO 27001. AI systems must log prompts. They must track data usage. They should mask sensitive fields. They should retain audit logs. Legal teams must be involved. AI cannot be an IT only project. If AI is deployed without planning, we may face data leaks, firewall bypass, regulatory fines, performance degradation, investor distrust. Enterprise AI is not plug and play, it is architecture. Here is a simplified enterprise roadmap. In the first step, we need to identify use case. In the next step, we need to classify the data. In the next step, we need to choose deployment model. In the next step, we need to design network segmentation. The next step is with the integrating identity. In the next step, we need to implement monitoring. In the next step, we need to conduct penetration testing. In the next step, rollout in phases. Never ever deploy AI company-wide on day one. We are moving towards private AI models, edge AI, AI inside firewalls, AI SOC analysts. Network engineers must evolve. AI will not replace you, but engineers who understand AI architecture will replace those who don't. This is Mithun, and this is the Network Fixer. If you found this valuable, please do like the video, share it with your IT team, subscribe for real enterprise technology breakdowns, because IP is everywhere, but architecture, that's our job. Thank you for tuning in. You have a great day. Bye bye.